Hi, this video will help you to create your own EForms. Now the EForms will act as your customized template forms wherein the fields will be mentioned and you just need to put in the corresponding field details and simply send the mail. Now how to achieve that? Let's log in into admin and create our new EForm. Once you have logged in, go to PME Collab, EForms, Configure, Documents. Once you are on this page, click on Add New to start and create your first EForm in PostMaster. The first option, Enable, that is you are activating your EForm. Send to reporting officer. If you want this mail when you are sending to be reaching your reporting officer, enable the option. Escalate enable, if you want this mail to be escalated further, enable the option. If you want to put in an optional CC field, enable the option. Quick message, if you want your EForm document to be sent through quick message, enable quick message. Then comes the document name. What will be the name of your EForm? Let's name it as new lead. Document description would be new lead details. Send to email address. To whom you want to send this new lead information? Generally, if you are a product based company wherein say you have got product 1 and product 2. So you have got a good lead for your product 1. Now you want to send this information to your salespersons. So this EForm will serve your purpose. That is, here this fields by default will be there and you just need to put in the details and just pass on the message. So on the send to email address, let's put sales email ID. Then if you want to put any other email ID under CC, you can put support@qlc.in. Now what will be the mail subject? New lead. Next, if you scroll down, these are the fields that will be added in your EForm. By default, these two fields will always be there while you are trying to create a new EForm document in PostMaster. First, you have the employee name, that is who is sending the mail, and the date on which this particular EForm has been sent. Let's add more fields as well. Here we will put the say customer name, data type, we have text, number, text area, predefined and date. We will select text. Let's add more. Location, again it will be text, and let's add the customer contact details. Here we will choose the data type as number. Next, add another field. Here it will come about the product or service for which you have got a new lead. Now this product and service we will use predefined. Say you have got two products A and B. So for product A you have got a lead. Now you are allowing your employee or your colleague to choose for what product he has or she has got the lead. So here we can add say product A and then a comma product B. So to add your product or services here you have to use a comma, that is comma separated values. Once this is done, we'll add another field which is called say comments. Here we will choose it as text. Alright, so we are now done with creating our fields. Then what are the fields that you need to be mandatory, without which this EForm will be like it won't serve your purpose. So for that, say this employee name and created on is mandatory. and I want this to be non-editable. Customer name, of course, mandatory. Location, yes. Everything is mandatory. Let's keep comments as not mandatory. Now here the data label, how do you want this sorting of data to be? Say for example, if I want customer name, now if I select this, so the customer names come up. So you can align your fields as per your requirement for your eForm. Once this is done, I'll click on confirm and save my document. In case if you don't know how to use the variables, you have eForm variables as well. Here you can just simply take the variables and put in over here. Say for example, under employee name I had this variable, so by default the person with whom you have logged into the PostMaster webmail, that person's name will come. Under say date, I want to put this, so simply copy. Okay, it is already there. So by default the date will come. Confirm, okay, confirm. Now let's check our mail. For that, go to user view because we have logged as an admin. Then under eForms, you have your newly created forms. New lid. So this is how your forms look like. So this was our mandatory field, so we have done it. Now let's put in say the first 3 letter. If your email ID is already there in your address book, Postmaster will take it the first 3 letters and show you in a drop down the email IDs which are starting with your first 3 letters. So let's select any of the email IDs, say QLC. Okay, so we have got so many email IDs. Let's select this one. Under CC, let's put this is my new lead. Employee name, customer name, let's put in as location, the contact detail, now what is your lead is all about, for which product. So you can choose your product A or product B. Let's select product A. This is the created date, the comments, so this is how we can create our own eForms. Now for the person that you have mentioned over here, you can put in another field stating the contact person. Then if you scroll down, you have add files. So if you want to add any files to this particular eForm, you can do it as well. Once done, we'll scroll up and send our eForm. Alright, so message has been sent successfully. This is how you can create your eForms. Any assistance regarding this, if you need any help, kindly get in touch with us or write to us at support@qlc.in. Thank you.